Okay, so clear, right? So let me go. Okay, not a problem. We will see that. Okay, so let me go for that another concept. Don't think that different concept are there. Yeah, no problem. Having Windows 7 operating system, not a problem. So we'll go for a different. Okay, next is what we have seen. What is the two platform? That means two set of MS Office versions with XML and without XML. So now let me explain you what is extension. This next part is very important. Extension. Is anybody have any idea about what is extension? But don't tell me that extending. That is not a proper word. Extension. Okay. So let me ask you one question. So tell me what is this? Tell me what is this? I hope I'll get a correct reply within seconds. Anyone can tell me what is this one in the chat box? Yes, very good, very good. Format of song, music extension, Sai, Vaishnav. Very good, ma, very good. Exact. Your answer is right. So if some means people who are doesn't know the title, that's like they'll say it's India sir, but actually it is a music file or an audio or song by name India. No, it's not a path. It's an audio file. It's a music file. So how you are telling it's a music file? Seeing this dot mp3, right? Because that is called as extension. Why? Extension decides what type of file it is and through which software the file has to be opened. Simply, I will say, in our phone, we have some video players like VLC Media Player and MX players and all. When I click a video, automatically it is playing through the MX or VLC Media Player. When I click a song, yes, exactly, like .html. Yes. Okay. When I click a song, directly it is playing through the music player. So tell me how that this device or software knows it has to be played by that software. Okay, based on this extension. Okay, so see, if I'm a lecturer, if I'm going to a college or an institute, I'm giving my resume saying that here I'm there myself Gunashekar, so where I can able to handle MS Office, Tally, basics, internet. Okay, I'm giving a resume to that person. So the day onwards, next day onwards, if they're going to allocate classes for me, okay, they will see my resume. Okay, a student has joined our courses there for a MS Excel. Who can handle MS Excel? So in our database, Guna can handle MS Excel. So directly they will put you to my classes. So how they are seeing my resume where I have mentioned these are the softwares where I can handle. Same way when I install some softwares in my computer. If I install VLC Media Player, VLC Media Player will give some set of database or records to the computer saying that gee I am there here to help you where I can open all files that ends with .mp3, .mp4, .avi, like Blu-ray files and all I can able to open. So from there onwards, what happens? Whenever I double click a video, the video will be played by a VLC media player. If I double click a different video file like AVI, TV format file, if I double click, it will be played by a VLC media player. So how? Because I have given an extension. When I double click the file, my Windows 7 operating system or Windows 8 or Windows 10 operating system will see who is the right person to open that file. Is there with us? Okay, is there? Send the file to that software. That software will view the particular file. So this is nothing but what is extension. So in the computer term, there is extension for all the files. There is no files without extension. When a file is not opening, there is no supportable software that for that file. Is that clear? Everyone are getting what is extension. Yeah. So let me show you something. See, file, I click save on the notepad. See, here I'm getting something star.txt. File name is what? Star.txt. So it's a wildcard where it shows like me. It shows me like this. So where that is nothing but star represents any file name. Any file name can be anything, but the extension should be only .txt because it is a notepad. Notepad extension is nothing but called as what? .txt. This is nothing but extension. So why I'm telling this story to you or this explanation to you means because you should know how a Word file will be get saved, how a Excel file is getting saved, how a PowerPoint file is getting saved. Yes, exactly. It is a text format. So now I'll tell you why I was telling all these things. Extension concept we are going to talk. So MS Office products, I told wherever you go for a company, basically you should know about Excel PowerPoint. Okay. So here also I'm going to mention you 97 to 2003 for Word and 2007 to 2019 for you. So Word, any Word files that is respected to 97 to 2000 version of 97 to 2003, it ends with .doc, .docx. So and same Excel dot XLS, that is nothing but Excel spreadsheet where you can remind that easily. Excel spreadsheet X and PowerPoint dot PPT dot PPTX and dot PPSX. MS Access dot MDB Microsoft database. I'll write in the last what is the MDB. Okay, and ACCD. So MDB stands for Microsoft database, and ACCDB stands for Access database. And so, what is the major difference between the older extension and newer extension? What is the major difference? So, I want you people to be active in that chat group. So, where you can reply in the fraction of seconds, answer, and we go fast. No XML. Sandeep is telling that no XML word X. I'm not getting you, Sandeep, in what you texted like no XML. I'm not finding it whether you don't have XML or there is no XML like this and word X. Yeah. What is that? This stands for like dot .doc and here like dot .docx. XLS dot XLSX. What is that X stands for here means nothing but called as XML. That stands for what? XML. That is what we are talking up to now. That is which was present in the newer version XML. And these are called as extensions. Yeah. Here you see for Word .doc, older one, newer one. For Excel, older one, newer one. For PowerPoint, older one and newer one. but sorry, but for PowerPoint, newer two are there. So why only for the PowerPoint 2? Basically, why we use MS Word? Word is nothing but used for a WordPress software, like where if you are writing a book or letter or documentary, all the places we use MS Word to write a text editor software or a WordPress software. And Excel is nothing but called as a database or data analysis software. Excel is nothing but a data analysis software or a tabular data software. Okay, many words are there. Okay, so until today, what and all I'm covering, everything are just what is MS Office. It's an just introduction of MS Office. We have not yet entered or started that what is Excel. We'll be starting that in the next class or by today also if time is there. But until now, what I'm explaining you, everything is about only what is MS Office. Okay, so Excel is like one of a data analysis software, and PowerPoint is nothing but a presentation software. So, what is presentation? We will carry a presentation file or PPT file in a pen drive. We go so far. We give presentation for others in a seminar hall, on a college, on school, everywhere. We give presentation. Tell me, in my computer, I don't have a software Excel. Excel is not there in my computer, you think. And I have a pen drive. In my pen drive, I have an Excel file. If I want to open that Excel file in my laptop, it will be open or not. You're understanding my question? In my laptop, there is no Excel. I have a pen drive. In my pen drive, I have an Excel file. Okay, I want to open that Excel file in my laptop. Is it will open or not? It will open. Okay, only Versa I have answered. Any others? It will open, sir. Okay. So you understood my question clearly? Sir, no, sir, it won't. No. Okay, so yes, Gita, they're telling it will not open. It will not open. Exactly, it will not open. Why? Because there is no supported software to open my file. I told Excel is not there in my computer and I have Excel file in my pen drive. Okay, how can I open that when there is no supported software? It is like I'm texting a person who is not there in the WhatsApp. It will not receive for it. First of all, I can't text him, right? Yes. Yeah, it has, yeah, not only MS Office, MS Office software should be there. As of now, we are thinking everyone like we have only MS Office, but it's not like that. How like we have like WhatsApp, Telegram, many like social media softwares like that. MS Office also has. MS Office is that one of a Microsoft product. There is like another product called as WPS, but standard is nothing but MS Office. That's what we're teaching here. But for answer is nothing but it will not open because my laptop doesn't have Excel and it will not open the Excel file. Simple. Now here the .ppsx file is the right that such type of extension files will be opened by a computer, any computer, any operating system, Windows operating systems. I can open this such type of extension files anywhere because it doesn't need any software to open this file or to run this file. It is like a one of a executable file. So no need of MS Office to be run. No need of MS Office to run this file because it is like such of a executable file. So think like I can't send him WhatsApp message because he's not in WhatsApp. I can't send him Telegram message because he's not in Telegram. But I can send him normal message, right? Because 100% whoever having own, whoever owned phone, everybody will be having default messenger app, right? Like this is also PPSX will be supported in any working computer, any Windows operating system or Mac operating system. If the system is working, it is enough. I connect my pen drive, I open this PPSX type of file, so it will open because it is one of a software type file. Double click, it will done directly. So It doesn't need any other softwares, third parties to run himself. He needs only just the system has to work. That's it. That's all. No need of MS Office to run this type of file. That is only .ppsx files. But .pptx, .ppt, mdb, accdb, all this requires MS Office to be installed to run or to open this particular file. Is that clear? Is that clear, ma? Understanding what is the extensions? Okay. Is there any doubt? So is there any doubt, ma? Please let me know. Like to any doubts is there? You can clarify that. Sir, why only for PPT is the advantage is given? Yeah, that is what many, because this is given for seminar. See, uh, Excel file can be opened through the Google Sheets also. So where I will be traveling. See, even I'll tell you, there are some set of peoples. They work only giving on seminar on products. Okay, they'll be telling me, sir, tomorrow I'm going to implement a course in my college. Please, I want you to give a seminar on that particular thing. Sir will, once again, I'll clear this out until we come to you rest. Okay, he's telling like, I want to give a seminar. So what I will do, he is on Delhi. I have to travel to Delhi from Bangalore. I will prepare a PPT file respect to that seminar, everything in a pen drive with a PPT file. So where I can't take my laptop to there, up to there, I will take everything in my pen drive. At last, I went there. I'm telling, okay, I will connect my pen drive to a laptop and I will conduct the seminar. He is telling, sir, sorry, I don't have MS Office in my system. At last, my entire seminar is to be get cancelled. So that is why Microsoft had decided to implement this particular option. Okay, and this is not just, it requires like operating system. It's like a software. See, to install WhatsApp or Telegram in my phone, what I required, just my phone has to what? It has some internal storage. That's it. If internet is not also, not a problem. I can send it and share it. I can install. Right? It's like that. So PPSX also requires doesn't anything. Just like a software. If I double click, it will open. So importance is seminar. These things where most of the people travel so far. Foreign also they'll go. In MNC company they'll go for seminars. So that is why most important given for that. Okay, and Shreyas V. Yes, sir. Will 2007 MS Excel supports every new thing? Uh, no, pa. 2010 only will not support. I told before. Okay, 2007 also will not support many options like even timeline will support for 2010 from there it came, but 100% timeline will not support in the 2007. At least 2010, if second release has been there, it will support. 2007 will not support like timeline. As I told you, some only few products. Don't think, sir, I can't able to learn, that's it, I can't learn Excel at all. Don't think like that. Only four product means four tools, only four tools you can't able to do in the seven. Okay, if you are having 2010, in 2010 some three tools. Flash fill is the main tool you can't use in the 2010. Timeline also you can use. Okay, some one or two tools. Which is the best version, sir? Yeah, I suggest you all 2013 will be the best until now, which I have worked in many of the MS Office versions like 10, 13, 7, 2019, 365 and all. Okay, how to have 2013 version? Yeah, good question. Okay, as of you're asking doubts, I'm clearing all your doubts. Just Amazon and all, you can search there. Go to Amazon. Don't go. Let me tell you how to purchase MS Office 2013. I hope you people will not go for like higher versions. Sorry, like Outlook, OneDrive and all. Our basic is Word, Excel, PowerPoint we require. Let me show you somewhere. See, this we can go better. You'll be getting in 2050 rupees. Sorry, 250 rupees, around 250 rupees. See to that, which is very less, you can go. This is also fine. So there are many things, and outside dealers are there where you can purchase that. So you can download MS Office from here, trial version as a student login. Microsoft gives you that where you can use until 2 3 months. Okay, for education purpose you go. Just login as education purpose. You sign up after education. You can have your MS Office. It works better. This one for laptops. For desktops also it is available. Or else you can purchase in the Amazon. And local dealers also available in SP Road or many places where you can purchase this. Yeah. Sir, I can't insert my CD into my laptop. You can download from internet. You download from the internet. Yeah, people who are having 13, 16, 19 version, not a problem. Don't. Even 10 also not a problem. Just one tool will not work. So I will make you clear about, even if you don't have that also, you will understand that and you will have a knowledge about fully about that. So is it clear about entire thing? What until I covered now? Until now, is there any doubts? Please, any doubts respective to our class, you can just put it into the chat box. I will clear. Not an issue for me. I'm there here to clear your doubts. Okay. So anytime you can just make your doubts clear with me. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. So as of you are understanding everything, so let me go for the next concept. So basically, how we will call a file. So here it gets end. So a Word file has to be called as what? Document. We'll call a Word file as a. So the timings will be daily or weekly, sir. The classes, okay, classes weekly. Okay. One second, pa. I will clear about that. It's daily or what? Okay. So it's daily from 1:30 to 3 p.m. and it's not on Saturdays. It's from Monday to Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. And it is not there on Saturdays and Sundays. Clear? I hope the class will be very interesting and you'll be attending that 1:30 to 3 p.m. without fail. I want everyone to attend the class. So about public holidays, let me tell you, okay? So it will be updated in the group, whether it will be there or not. If any public holidays are there, you can just text in the group. So it will be replied. Okay, yeah, that link, what it is accessed, yeah, that will be solved. Don't worry. that will be solved, and by the next class that link will be sent through that WhatsApp, and I hope 100% there will be not having any problem logging at one shop 1:30 p.m. in the next class. Okay, thank you, Sai, for your reply. Okay, Sai Vaishnav, thank you. Okay, so let me finish that small thing and let me wind up the class. Okay, so uh, Word files are called as document, and a document is nothing but what a document contains. A document contains set of pages. Very easy. A document contains what? Set of pages. And Excel. What is Excel file called as? Excel file called as workbooks. So don't think. Still, tell your friends we have not yet started the Excel class. Just I have given what is MS Office and introduction class. Pupils who have missed are your friends. Tell them how the class was there. Tell them to attend the class. Do not to mix the Excel class for the next, because we are going to start the Excel class on next class. This is just MS Office introductions and workbooks. Which what is workbook? Workbooks contain set of spreadsheets. Yeah, sheets or spreadsheet. Yeah, everything are right answer. PowerPoint. PowerPoint contains. So how we say what is a book? Book contains full of pages, papers like that. PowerPoint contains very good. So presentation. Presentation is nothing but I want that replace like this. So where I have something curiosity to solve many things. Slides. Yeah, MS Access. MS Access are called as database. Database is nothing but called as set of slides. Clear, right? Good. Data storage. Yeah, very good. Actually, database. The software is used mainly for data storaging purpose. I'll explain. Access means in the next class before start, I'll give a small intro about what is Word, Excel, and all detailing, and I'll give that. So how to open? I'll say how to open Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Basically, I told you what is that. I'll tell you that what is that Word, Excel, PowerPoint. For PowerPoint, I told Word. I just little I given. Again, once more in the next class, once I start MS Office, let me tell you Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access is what. Then I tell you to how to open that all four softwares. Then we will open Excel, and then we will start up that our Excel classes. Is that clear? Yeah. Even also before today itself, I'll tell you. Still 1 2 minutes are there. How to open a MS Office? Any MS Office files. Very easy. Sir, should we maintain any notebook for the upcoming class? Please. I hope it will be better. Personally, I'm telling peoples. I have trained many peoples like who are in the MNC companies, who are working in the MNC companies. Okay, and placed many peoples. Okay, and I have many helped out many peoples who have taken MOS exams. They are certified from the Microsoft like that and all. So please take a notes. It will be very very useful for your examinations. Sorry, not examinations, NST examinations also, but very very useful for your interview if you go for any MNC companies, especially many MNC companies. Okay, so you will come to know. Okay, you can suggest if any of your friends or relatives or cousins, any other in other colleges, you can check that any interview attend people's. You can ask them what are the type of questions they will ask in that Excel. Okay, so you can ask them, and you can follow that in my Excel class whether I'm explaining all that or not. So you will get a confirmation. Okay, so you will get to know end of the day what is that important of this class when you attend interview, especially BCom students. You're going for like what accounting. Okay, you will be doing CA. Okay, I think all of you are all BCom students, right? and other not only becomes one's financial any people's. Excel is one of software where everybody has to learn in the company. Yeah, BBA, especially mixed BBA. BBA very very important, right? So that's why you are doing this Excel. So everybody are doing this one. So please understand. So today what all I covered, it's a very very important interview questions. Okay, we should know first of all what is MS Office, then we'll go for what is Excel. It's all very important. Yeah. So now let me tell you how to open MS Office. There are basically three ways. One is click on start button, type whatever you want. Word, see the word is here. I want Excel. See, one second. Excel is here. See Excel is here. So don't use this method. Why I'm telling? See, what I am using the start button is different. This Windows 8. Direct, I don't know where is search button here. If I search directly, it is coming like that. So people new or to computer technology will get confusion. Where is the search button? Where is the search button like that? So don't, because of getting tensed, close this. Don't use that method. One more method. Right click on the desktop. Go to new. Just right click on empty area on the desktop. Go to new. Go for Word document, PowerPoint presentation. Word is called as document, Access is called as database, and PowerPoint is called as presentation, and Excel is called as workbook. Actually, sheets are called as books together, right? It's called as workbook. See, you can create here also, give a name. See, dot XLSX. So backspace, give a name, India.xlsx. It is a file what we are going to work out. Such a new file. But this also you can use, but if it is a guest account, there is a problem in that. Sorry, can you share these notes which can you see on the screen? Yeah, sure, I'll share you 2 minutes. Okay, next, the final step is very very important. As I told you, the run command, because for everyone keyboard is common. I think Mac is different, Android is different, but 100% the keyboard is same, right? A, B, C, D, alphabets, numbers, special character, everything are same. Typing we can do. Let it be any operating systems, Mac or Windows, sorry, Mac or Windows or Android or Mac or iOS, anything. Typing is easy. Same way keyboard is everyone, same for everyone. So people using Mac or command, people using our Windows or start button, the Windows button. Just press and hold on the start button plus R, and there type Excel to open Excel, type WinWord to open Word, type MS Access to open Access, and type Power PNT to open PowerPoint. See, Access is also opened, and finally PowerPoint will be opened. See, PowerPoint is opened. So let me show you this. If you want to open Word, always use the shortcut. So because a student told me, so they told me to open in the interview to MS Word. I was right click on the desktop, it was not working. And I searched also, it is difficult to work to search in the start button. Why? Because they were using very old operating system like this, like Windows Vista. It was tough for me to open. So that is why I suggested him always use keyboard. Why? Because keyboard is common for everyone. Start button plus R. If it is not opening, then there is no software in that computer. If I type in the run command Excel, Excel is not opening, there is no software in the Excel. Sorry, there is no Excel in the computer. Which are there on the right side are the shortcut. There is no space for shortcut. In gap, there is no shortcut. MS Access has to be written fully. So just check it out. All these are opening. So the shortcuts are working in your laptop, but 101% it will work. So last, not sorry, not triple S, only double S, MS Access. Keyboard, you just try the same command in the Linux. Try the same command in the Linux. Everywhere it will be same. Yeah, everywhere. Shortcut. That is like it's the name of the software. For Mac operating system also we say it is a WhatsApp. For Windows also we say it's a WhatsApp. For anything we say WhatsApp only. The name will be not same. Sir, please repeat how to use shortcut once. Yeah. See, very okay, no problem. I will show you the keyboard on the screen also. So how keyboard will be there? I think you'll be having a keyboard like this. One second. Okay, this one, not this one. In the Windows 7, you can have that one. That's keyboard only, it is there here. So there is a start button in the keyboard, right? When I press start button, it comes like this. So where I press here in the start place. Okay, that keyboard button is the right start button. Press and hold on the start button. Hold it at the same time, press R key. Start button plus R or Windows button plus R. Win plus R. Start button plus R. See here, this keyboard. This is the keyboard. This is the start button. What you will be having in your keyboard. The start button. Press the start button once and press the R key. So automatically run command opens like this. There you type as Excel. Excel will open. Okay. Same way press R. Win word. Word will open. See what is opening. Press R. Run command opens and Power PNT. PowerPoint opens and start plus R where MS Access opens. Enter. Clear? The start button is that one. This one. This is like start button. Which one I am highlighting? This white color. Caps is off. Now this is the button. And this is the R button. This is the combination. Hold and then press the R. Aram se can hold it. So is that clear for everyone? Okay. Before winding up the class, so let me clarify. Is there any doubts or everything are clear? So guys, please tell me anything is there. If you're not understanding, just you can just private message in the chat group only. Okay, so where I'll clarify your doubts. Start button is called Windows. Yeah, Windows button or start button, both are same. Everything is clear. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Yeah. So
Sir, in Windows 7, the Excel is not there, no, sir.
no, not it's not like in Windows 7 Excel is not there. You should have that. You should have installed the software. Excel has to be installed. MS Office has to be installed. It will not come with Windows. If you purchase, it may come. But Excel is operating. This Windows 7 is operating system. Excel is the application software. On Windows operating system, we will install there like that. So how we have Android, like Pi, Oreo, Oxygen, Nougat, like that are OS of Android OS. On that, we install Telegram, Snapchat, Snapchat, Instagram like that. So MS Office like Instagram. Oreo or Nougat or like Windows 7, Windows 8. We have to install that. Okay, but nowadays people who are giving new phones, they're giving like installed all there. Same like that. If you purchase laptops or desktop from the online or from the dealers, they may install and give you at the time of purchasing. But whether you check it out whether it is there or not in your computer by using the shortcut by typing the Excel in the run command, you just check it out or click on the start button, type Excel. If you are not getting anything, it is not there in your system. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Good. Okay. So let me save this file. So class one. Okay. So in that E drive, let me create a folder. Yeah. Okay. So this file, notepad file will be sent to your WhatsApp group. I'll be sending that. Okay. So you can go on through that and let all the doubts will be get cleared. Okay. I'll send you after the class. I'll send you that. Okay. By without fail, I'll send you. So let's wind up the class. Sure, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's clear. Okay. Bye, ma. Bye, everyone. See you in the next class. Okay. Bye. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you. I want everyone to attend the next class without fail.